working with laser cutting and engraving in LightBurn and managing LBART art library files. These contain reusable designs for your laser projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use and organize these LightBurn art library files efficiently. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the LBART format, but we'll attack the top issues first. Users encounter LBART files when saving or sharing collections of artwork within the LightBurn laser control software. They are searching for how to import these libraries to access pre-made shapes, graphics, and designs for their laser engraving or cutting projects, streamlining their workflow and creative process. The LBART format is a proprietary container, likely using a compressed binary or structured XML/JSON format. It was designed to efficiently store a collection of vector and raster graphics, along with associated settings, allowing for quick loading and management within the LightBurn application's dedicated art library panel. Most installations default to associating LightBurn from LightBurn software with LBART windows, cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows renders flattened previews only, so dynamic editing requires design tools. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the LBART file and click Open With. Test LightBurn if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your LBART file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, importing into LightBurn. Launch LightBurn and use File then Open Library or Window then Art Library to access the library panel. Click the Import button and select the LBART file. The library populates with imported designs accessible through the panel for drag-and-drop addition to your laser projects. Next, organizing your library. Within LightBurn's library panel, organize imported designs into categories using folders and tags. Create custom collections for different project types or material categories. Save the organized library back to LBART format for backup or sharing with other LightBurn users in your Maker community. Finally, sharing with other users. Export specific library sections as LBART files for sharing with collaborators or selling commercial design collections. Use File then Export Library or right-click to export selected items. Recipients import the LBART files into their LightBurn installations, gaining access to your designs with all laser parameters preserved. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.